Hi friends, welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will show you how you can delete your account in the TikTok app. Please subscribe to our channel. Also be sure to write your comments after watching the video and put your likes. So, let's get down to our topic. First of all, open the TikTok app. Next, you'll need to go to your profile. And here you'll need to tap on the top 3 bars to go to Settings. Next, you'll select Settings and Privacy. And here you choose the very first account. And then you choose Deactivate or you choose to delete the account. Here at this point you choose whether you want to deactivate or delete. And in the next step, you will need to specify the reason why you have decided to delete TikTok. It's really not that important. Next, now in this step, you are prompted by TikTok to save your data from TikTok to the gallery so that it doesn't go missing, doesn't get lost if you really need it. To do this, you'll need to click on Save Data. After you've done that, at the bottom, you click the checkbox here and after that, Continue. And then in the next step, you are warned that for the next 30 days your TikTok account will be deactivated. And if you don't log back into your TikTok account in those 30 days, then it will automatically be deleted without the possibility of recovery. If you're happy with that, then you click Next. And get to the very last page, the last step of deleting your TikTok account. Here you will need to enter a 6-digit code that will come to your phone number, which is tied to this TikTok account, or there to your Gmail. After you enter the 6-digit code, you click Delete Account. And after that, you will have a 30-day activation of the account, after which it will be deleted. Friends, this is the way to delete your account in TikTok app. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel, put your comments, and see you soon.